How to get $35 promo code on Uber. So let's get started. In order to get your promo code, you cannot get it directly through the Uber app. So all you have to do is go to any web browser on your phone. Here I am on a Safari. Then tap on the search address bar and search for the Uber promo code. Now, once you search for Uber promo code, you will be shown a various options of Uber promo code websites below. Now all you have to do is choose any according to your preferences. Here I choose this one for now. Now here you can see a list of offers available at the moment. So you can grab any again according to your preferences. There are more than 35%, less than 35%. Sometimes there are almost like 80% as well, but it is quite rare to find. So you can simply choose any, and whenever you are inside the promo code option, simply tap on the promo code you want to use. Here I am choosing the first one. So here you can see the promo code available on your screen. All you have to do is copy it and paste it to the Uber promo code option. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.